Hey everybody, my name is Walkenhorst. I'm a local musician here in Kansas City, and I'm working with Johnson County Mental Health Center to open up the conversation about mental illness. Today I'm here with my dad, Bob Walkenhorst. We're going to play a song that I wrote for our 2018 album, For Tomorrow. I started writing this song when I lived in New Orleans and was just overwhelmed all the time by the weather. Because you're below sea level, nearly every time it rains, it floods. So I had this lyric stuck in my mind about being afraid of the rain. And as someone who's dealt with depression and anxiety for the majority of my life, it seemed only natural to take that energy and relate it back to the storm that can go on inside your own head, particularly when you're trying to fight it all by yourself. So without further ado, this is called Afraid of the Rain. I've been pacing around, trying to wait out this storm. Seems like it's been pouring since the day I was born. Can't control the weather, though Lord knows I may try. I just hope it stops pouring before the day I die. And I know there's no place without pain, but I'd at least like to go where I'm not so afraid of the rain. Afraid of the rain. Made my way down south where the cold wouldn't bite, where the sun could warm me up and I could finally get it right. Oh, but even in the sunshine, the clouds come creeping in, and before you even know it, the streets are flooded again. And I know there's no place without pain, but I'd at least like to go where I'm not so afraid of the rain. Afraid of the rain. Oh, but even when the sun is shining, my mind is full of thunder and lightning. Even when the sun is shining, the clouds above me keep on crying. Even when the sun is shining, my mind is full of thunder and lightning. But I keep going, I keep surviving and hope that I might find the silver lining. Ooh. And And I know there's no place without pain. And I know there's no place without pain. And I know there's no place without pain. But I'd at least like to go where I'm not so afraid. Afraid of the rain. Mental illness can feel super isolating and impossible to control, but I promise that there are people that want to help you and know how to help and understand what you're going through. So if you or someone you know needs support or needs to talk or just wants to learn what your options are to continue your mental health journey, call Johnson County Mental Health Center's 24/7 crisis line. It is 913-268-0156. That was 913-268-0156. I hope you reach out to them if you need help, and thanks for listening today. We'll see you next time.